This castle is so drab.
Dreadful. Your Grace, I have the solution. I have brought forth the finest colours in all the land. They hail from the domain of direct colours. Actually, I just went to directcolors.com.
You mean direct colors can stain any concrete in any color? Impossible! To take the finest painters in all the land to complete such a task?
Nay, my lord, for direct colours is so simple to use that even you and your queen with your dainty, uncalloused hands could do it.
Well, if it really is easier to apply to concrete pathways,
Patios.
Pavers.
sand concrete,
And more.
then let it be done.
Direct colour.
Colors. Dance spray. Magnificent. Darling, look at that color.
I decree that all my subjects shall go to directcolors.com, post haste anon, for the most majestic of all displays a king could ever desire.
Well, back to the Crusades I go.
Hold tightly to your posteriors, Persia.